Hey, I'm Matt with Me Church, obviously not in my outdoor kitchen. I'm here at the new Pursuit Spirits Tasting Room on Whiskey Row in downtown Louisville. This is gonna be fun. Well, this one is super exciting for me. You guys know that I love bourbon. I say that bourbon and barbecue go together. We're gonna explain that. But my family loves Pursuit Spirit so much that we invested in this brand a long time ago. Now, this facility is a long time coming. I mentioned we're at their new tasting room right here on Whiskey Row. So there's distilleries all down this street. And Kenny and Ryan, friends of mine, they have opened this beautiful facility. They've got a beautiful gift shop. They've got tasting rooms. You can do their Whole Shebang experience where you thief from barrels and you bottle your own bottle of bourbon. They've got a gorgeous bar called Trial and Error, and we're gonna check it all out today. What's up?
How are you, buddy? Good to see you, my man.
I'm awesome now.
We're here, we made it.
Well, I poured it on thick about how awesome you guys are and how awesome Pursuit is. So tell us what we're in store for today.
Well, we're going to do a few different things. One, we're going to go ahead and take a quick look at the space, but then you're also going to take part in the whole shebang. This is like our marquee experience where you get to have your own personal barrel selection, but instead of having to pick your own barrel, you get to choose the one that speaks to you, right?
Okay.
So this is something that all of our fans love to do because it's not only just a barrel selection that we make it available to everybody. You picked a few barrels nowadays, right?
Yeah.
He's a pro now.
Yeah, and so this is just something that it's very unique that a lot of people get to do. But not only just pick the barrel, but you get to fill your own bottle directly from the barrel with a whiskey thief.
Okay. Maybe I can chalk y'all into showing me the podcast space. These guys have the #1 most downloaded podcast in Bourbon Pursuit, and then maybe we can go pick a barrel too.
Yeah, if you're lucky, maybe we'll let you record or pick a barrel.
I think it'd be cool if we pick a Pursuit barrel, we can bring it back to Texas. We can make it available to our friends, maybe donate a little something to charity, get some of their delicious bourbon. So I'm excited. Let's go.
Come on in, let's do this. So what's cool when you first walk in is this freight elevator. It's original to the building. This building was built in 1887. We kept it for historical reasons, but we thought it'd be a cool design element that you're walking through here. As you walk through here, we have our gift shop. Over to your left, we got merch, we got bottle shot sales, we got dog toys, we got hats, we got Agent Or, really cool whiskey travel gear. We also have some more merch, some more bottles on this wall. Over here is where you check in for your experiences, like our whole shebang and our cocktail classes, guided tastings, and our VIP experiences as well. So let's go to the whole shebang room. So after you check in, come here in the waiting area, and then if you're doing the whole shebang, we're in the Stella room. We had this great idea of naming all the rooms after our kids. So Kenny's daughter is named Stella. So the first room is the Stella room, which is the whole shebang. So you have the guided tasting, you get to hear our story, but you have 6 barrels. There's 3 bourbon barrels, 3 rye barrels. You taste through those, pick the one you like, and then we run you through the bottling line. Once you do that, you sign your bottle, your custom label, take it home with you. It's a great experience. People absolutely love it. It's a fill your own barrel experience you don't get to do anywhere else. And then this next room is the Harlow room, and this classroom is really for guided tasting. So if you're new to Pursuit, we'll guide you through our Discover the Pursuit, where we taste you through all of our core products. We also have a line called the Melwood line, where we revive some old vintage labels to an old distillery here in Louisville. But the most fun thing we do is we have a create your own cocktail class. Our bartenders come up here, they teach you how to make cocktails based on if you like rye whiskey or bourbon. The cocktails change from season to season, so we really try to stay seasonal, but it's a really fun way to show you how to bartend at your house. So lastly, we have our Rowan room, which is our VIP tasting area. We do barrel picks here. If you want a guided experience with one of the founders, or you're just looking for a nice, quaint area where you can get away from everyone and have a great bourbon, you go in here. So let's check it out. What the hell are you doing in here? I said it was a VIP room. You're not a VIP. All right, y'all ready for the whole shebang? So what you got in front of you is 6 different samples. There's 3 bourbons, 3 ryes. You taste through them, pick the one you like. It doesn't matter what Rick likes, what you like, You get to pick yours. You don't have to raise your hand. Only for you though. And anyways, so after you pick your selection, we're gonna get you a whiskey thief, and you get to fill your own bottle straight from the barrel, man. It's awesome.
Sick.
So which one you picking?
Well, you know me that normally I'm a bourbon guy. I only like a rye, typically an old fashioned, but this rye is delicious. Number 4.
Yeah, our rye is special. It's a good choice. Let's go fill it up.
How cool is that? Came to the Bourbon Trail, made my own bottle. Oh yeah. These guys have a really cool cocktail bar here called Trial and Error. The name comes from the fact that Ryan is a master blender and he was asked, how do you come up with your blends? And he said trial and error. But this is a spot, this is a tip. Your wives would love it. I know we've got guys and girls in the congregation, but we got a ton of guys that are into bourbon. But if you come here, like my wife doesn't like bourbon. Well, the bar here is super cool. It's basically like in a basement, but they've got vodka and gin, tequila, cocktails. They've got beer. They've got all sorts of stuff. So if you find yourself on Whiskey Row, you definitely got to come in a Trial and Error and have a drink. Ryan and Kenny have the largest podcast in bourbon, Bourbon Pursuit. You probably know that by now. I've actually been on an episode, but they built a podcast studio here. So if you're here at the Trial and Error Cocktail Lounge, you can actually watch them filming. They have the who's who of bourbon. They've had like every master distiller, master blender, pundits. They've got influencers. They've had Matt Pittman on there. Don't know how that happened, but super cool to sit here and actually watch it be filmed live.
Hey man, you wanna go to the warehouse, pick a barrel?
I thought you'd never ask.
So every barrel we have in here has been hand selected and blended by me. Then we refill these barrels and we put them in what we call our redneck rick house. It's an old UPS trailer we got, and the temperatures swing very hot to very cold. We want extreme temperature swings because when it gets really hot, the whiskey moves into the wood. We get a lot of great extractions. When it gets cold, it extracts out of the wood. And so the boys been here, we tasted through 6 barrels. They loved 4. We narrowed it down to 2, so I'm gonna pull samples and do a blind tasting for them so we can see which one they like. So now you got your 2. We're gonna do a double blind taste test. I'm not telling you what they are. You're gonna have to taste, pick the one you like, because a lot of times people will be like, oh, I want that barrel, and I'm gonna try to pick it out. Don't worry about that, just pick the one you like. Don't worry about trying to pick the one that you think it is.
I think for my man Rick's sake, there's no wrong answer, right? We're down to,
We gotta give Rick a win.
you like what you like.
Yes, you like what you like.
Okay, which one are we trying
This
first?
one will be unanimous.
Yeah.
It will be.
I feel like we're gonna be
Speaking.
Pursuit United on this one.
Ooh.
I like it.
All right, which way we going? Left?
It's, start
Go what
left.
you do. Yeah, taste them both and figure out what you like, and then we'll put a Democratic vote in there.
So on the count of 3, if you like the one on the left, raise your left hand. You following that? If you like the one on the right, your right hand.
So is it 1, 2, 3 lift, or is it 1, 2 lift?
Yeah.
Paper rock.
Yeah.
Exactly. It's an important question because there's people at this table that cheat. That are.
Say keep it up
I'm
to
close
once
my
you
eyes.
vote. Keep
Yeah,
it up.
keep it up.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think we close our eyes.
Or if you want
Close
to
your eyes.
heads up, 7 up?
Yeah.
Put your hand on the table.
All right, let's go.
Yeah.
Let's go.
All right. 1, 2, 3.
Come on, baby.
So we got right, left, right,
Left.
Oh man.
Hey, that's a win. That's a win. First split. Kristen, you got me, man. Thanks for having my.
All right.
Okay.
Well, how about me and Kenny go?
Yeah.
We'll do the same thing.
All right. Yeah.
And we'll see.
Okay, yeah. 1, 2, 3.
Oh my God.
Are you kidding me?
Let me ask you.
We get 2 barrels. Woo!
So the 4 of us were split, and then the 2 owners were split.
Crazy.
Well, the problem is they're both delicious. There is no wrong answer. I say we go Jerry Jones style, leave it to a game of chance, and we'll just flip. There's no losers.
About flipping the bong.
How about you flip a bung? I got one right here.
All right. Brand new bung. So, I don't know. We'll do right. Left.
You feel like you're signing the whole business away right there.
When
Pursuit
Jerry,
now owns meat trays.
when Jerry lost $300,000, he's still in the Cowboys. So, all right, here we go. Ready?
I'm nervous.
Do it.
Well, today has been a ton of fun. Who's going to complain about coming to Kentucky and enjoying some amazing bourbon? Good times here with my buddies. Enjoyed watching the guys shoot their podcast. I really enjoy Bourbon Pursuit. So that was a ton of fun. The Whole Shebang, where maybe you don't want to commit to whole barrel, but you'd like to take something home that you like. Super unique experience, very affordable, but picking a whole barrel that is absolutely delicious. Like, I can't wait to get that back to Texas for all of you to try. And I've been lucky, been on a lot of barrel picks lately. I know not everybody gets to do that. I don't take it for granted. And honestly, I can't wait for all the memories that you make around sharing this with people in the community, all the people that have been involved in these picks, the people that we've learned from. I often tell people bourbon is like outdoor cooking was to me. It's a new itch to scratch. There's so much to learn. It's so deep. It's insane. Loving it. But you guys got to come here. If you come to Louisville, come to the Trial and Error Bar, come to the tasting room. This place is fun. If you like what we're doing, please like and subscribe. See you guys next week.